Cool. In this video, I would like to show you how you can stop beeping sound in your token. So you can notice I'm using a hexing token, which is releasing a lot of noise. So in order to stop this beeping sound in your token, what you're supposed to do basically, so you can check online the type of meter which you are using. So in my case, I'm using hexing meter. So as you can see here, there are different codes for different token and the different procedure which you should carry out from Google. So what I can do, I can enter this code and we test together. So we are supposed to enter 812, then we press OK. So let's see if the beeping sound has stopped. So it is so disgusting when you are sleeping this noise, and when I'm doing my work it is technically disturbing me. So I thought about the procedure to stop this thing, and I decided to share it with you so that we can get help together. So depending with different meters, so you just come here. Let me get back to the token. You just come here, you check the meter which you are using. Like my case was hexing. You enter the code and the beeping sound will be solved, and that is how we stop this beeping sound in this token. So don't pay a technician to solve a problem which you can solve for yourself. So these are different code for different meters. So you can get it here. So it is here, and you can notice the beeping sound has stopped in my token. So I migrated to a new house and gotten this token which have been hectic to me and giving me, it is not giving me luxury because of this beeping sound. That cannot be able to do my classes properly. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you.